Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get access to this app store on your Fire Stick, which has all the best IPTV players as well as all the best media players for your Fire Stick. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get all those amazing apps to your device. So first of all, you will have to get the app called Downloader to the Fire Stick. You can get Downloader free of charge. To do so, we go to search on the Fire TV stick, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Click on Downloader, and now that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it is not over yet, because we still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader on your Fire Stick, we will go to Settings. So we need to click this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. We open it, and now there, what you have to do is turn on the developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So the next step we're gonna do is go back, and now you will finally see developer options. You need to open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally what we have to do is go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, open app. And now there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using the Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, NordVPN costs less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, all you have to do is locate any server. Let's say I will connect to Romania, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And it's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your device, open it, and head into Downloader. So there you go, open the application as well. And now here, what we need to do is open the search bar and start typing in the code. So the code will be 298 344. So once again, it's 298344. That is the code you have to enter. So make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Because obviously, if you make a mistake, then the code will not work. Then you click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And then finally, this website will open up for you. And there are all kinds of IPTV players as well as media apps, such as IPTV Smartest Pro, TVMate, Perfect Player, XC IPTV Player, IPTV Extreme, OTT Player, IM Player, T-Player, Next TV Player, and so on. So there's lots of amazing apps, and to get any of those applications, you just have to click on it, and in a couple of seconds, the download of the app will start for you. So you just wait until the download process finishes. Usually does not take long, but of course, it all depends on your internet connection speed. In my case, it's pretty fast, so the whole download process shouldn't take more than 10 or 15 seconds. Then you click install and just wait until the app gets properly installed on your device. And after that, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you save yourself some free space on your device. And it's really important, because by default, your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now let's go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick. You'll open it right here, and there at the bottom you will find the new app which you just got. So enjoy all those amazing apps and don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe online. See you next time. Bye bye.